Sandali po, may kodigo ko rito eh. Ladies and gentlemen, to our distinguished guests, ma'am, i-introduce po kayo later ni Lynn, so I will not mention your names here. Batchmates, classmates, and friends, good evening. I am here because I'm going to deliver the, sabi nga nila, yung welcome address daw or welcome remarks. It is during this part of the program that you will find people still listening. In this early part, people, especially at our age, are still very much awake. I hope I could say the same to Herman Santos, who will deliver the closing remarks later on. It is an accepted notion that high school life is the best part of our lives. This is where we enjoyed the company of friends who later on became our best buddies and even kumares and kumpadres. This is where we meet our crushes. To some of us, we even get to marry them. Mon and Nina are good examples. Of course, you will experience this in college, but on a different level. If you don't believe me, you can ask Sharon Cuneta or listen to her song, High School Life. Speaking of Sharon, bawal ho ang Sharon dito. Doon sa mga bisita natin na hindi ho alam yung Sharon, yung batchmate natin, pakimarites na lang sa kanila. In behalf of the steering committee of tonight's event, we welcome you to Pio del Pilar High School Class 74 Golden Reunion. I never imagined that this event will be possible. Oh, how long I have been waiting for this event to happen. Thanks to the diligent and persisting efforts of the steering committee led by my classmate, Marlon Alabastro, let's give a warm round of applause to him. Kudos to Marlon and the rest of the team. Also, I cannot help but admire our other batchmates, although not part of the committee. They are very much willing to help and share their treasures, especially to Sally and to Lynn. Let's give them a warm of applause. My apologies if I miss anyone. Ladies and gentlemen, let us sit back and relax and enjoy each other's company and thank the Lord and be glad that we are still here and able to meet old friends. Let's not forget what this reunion is all about, what the committee work hard for. It is always about having fun, reminiscing old memories, keeping each other's friendship as we did before. Remember, life is short. To some of us, even shorter. Let's not wait opportunities like this. Let's not waste opportunities like this. Just keep in mind that at least for today, we are all 16 years old with 65 years of experience. Good friends are rare jewels in life, difficult to find and impossible to replace. Again, let's have fun and welcome to our Golden Jubilee celebration. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much po, Sir Robbie Morano. And